Yeah, buddy.
I'm in his vlog?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so amazing.
This is unreal.
I'm super fucking excited to train with you. Yeah, buddy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Right now on the new episode of Ghost Hunters.
Alright, Ronnie, where are we right now?
Venice Beach. What's up, everybody? We just arrived at Muscle Beach, and we're gonna talk to some people and hang out. Thank you so much.
Take a picture of ours. Oh my god.
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
I'm in his vlog?
Yeah, let's see hi.
Wow, so amazing.
Back in the day.
You used to skateboard back in the day?
Uh-huh.
How old were you?
Yeah, about 14, 15.
When you were skating?
Yeah.
So you were out in Louisiana at that time? Huh? Yeah.
They didn't have the big skateboards either.
So you think if you would have practiced enough, you could do something like this?
Yeah, hell yeah.
What was your favorite memory here, you think?
My favorite memory was when my first time here, November 1991.
Yeah.
Mike Ryan, I was the manager here, 91 to 98.
Oh yeah?
All right? And all of a sudden everyone says, Ronnie Coleman's coming to train, you gotta get dumbbells. And our dumbbells went up to 170s. So I had to call all the manufacturers and they made 180s, 190s. The guy goes, I'm gonna make dumbbells, it's gonna be, the 200-pound dumbbell's gonna be this big. I said, if I get Ronnie Coleman's here, he's gonna use them. Yeah, so
buddy.
welcome back, good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey Ronnie, can I get a little ain't nothing but a peanut?
Nothing but a peanut. Yeah, buddy.
How's it going, man?
Good workout in?
Ryan, this is Ryan.
It's an awesome workout. Well, I'm sure I know you hear it often, man, but huge inspiration, more so attitude more than anything, man. The positivity, getting after it no matter what. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, no problem.
It's great to see
Oh,
you.
no problem, bro.
Good luck
Nice
with
to
the
meet you. Yeah, buddy.
good luck with the project.
Oh, what's up? We're about to pull up to the Full Send headquarters and go hang out. Yeah, buddy. Welcome to the Full Send gym. Yeah, buddy.
Nice to meet you. Pleasure. We are minting it on Monday of this week, so that's the whole reason we're out here. Is just to kind of like promote ourselves, promote the NFT project. Got Ronnie out here, so we've been doing a lot of stuff on Discord.
Yeah, non-stop probably, yeah. I got I know you guys have subs yourself.
Yeah.
Because Ronnie sent me some, but we just heard your Rush supplement line is coming out in a couple weeks. So we hooked you guys up with 2 of everything.
Love it. All right, Ronnie.
Yeah, the strawberry.
Ronnie, got your favorite flavor? Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Yes, sir.
Hey, did y'all not charge it up?
Wow.
We're
No
gonna
way.
gift it to you guys.
Thank you so much.
Go, thank you.
Yeah, for
That's
sure.
amazing. This is a really cool way to present NFTs too.
Yeah, that is a really sick one.
I'll get Kyle's wallet or Steve's wallet, and then
Okay, yeah. We'll present it to
yeah, I'll keep in contact with you.
Oh.
We on and we out. Out here in LA, about to drop my NFT. Right now I'm at an after party to pick up NFT of my own.
Yo, my name is Owen. I got Ronnie verified on TikTok. That's kind of why I'm here.
Keep up that reaction.
This is sick. Dude, this is unreal. This is crazy. Dude, Ronnie, this is so cool. Thank you, bro. Wait, what? This is so cool.
And now we're gonna choose a walkout song. When you walk out there and see your NFT for the first time, it's gonna be playing in the background.
He has a song on Spotify. It's called "The King Is in the Building."
Oh, let's do it.
Gotta do
The
that.
King is in the building.
Yeah, let's do that. Yo.
Queued up, give me 1 second.
Here comes the boom. Step out the
We
way.
have 4 character types. This is the android man. We also have an android woman. We have a robot, and we have a hero is what we call it. So you got the android man, you got the crimson skin, the pink workshop goggles, the pink mohawk, and the pink studio background. The colors on this one are clean. This is a great one. Congratulations.
Yeah, buddy.
Be an 8 times, should have been 9. What I heard through the grapevine. That's a factual statement. Couldn't find nobody if you had to replace him.
How was it, Ronnie?
It wasn't no joke. We on and we out.